Every morning, 4 billion people reach for this. But what if I told you it begins here?
Where ancient biology meets cutting-edge science to create the paste that protects a billion smiles every single day.
Our journey begins at 6 a.m. These aren't ordinary deliveries.
Cattle bones, sourced from certified European suppliers, each batch inspected for purity.
These bones contain something remarkable: calcium phosphate, the same mineral that makes your teeth strong.
Welcome inside Colgate's $500 million manufacturing plant.
Stage 2, chemical extraction. This is where science takes over. Temperature stable at 180 degrees. Beginning acid introduction.
Food-grade phosphoric acid breaks down the bone matrix,
Releasing pure calcium phosphate, the foundation of every Colgate formula. This slurry now contains the mineral that will strengthen millions of teeth.
under magnification, perfect calcium phosphate crystals, each one a tiny shield for tooth enamel.
Purity 99.7%. Batch approved for formulation.
Ready for the next phase, formulation. Welcome to the heart of Colgate, the Formulation Lab.
Calcium phosphate, sodium fluoride, hydrated silica, each measured to the milligram.
Consistency optimal. Adding flavor compound.
Peppermint oil, extracted from European farms. The signature Colgate freshness.
"27 quality checks. Every batch. Every time.
"3,000 liters of perfect toothpaste. Ready for packaging.
But first, we need something to put it in.
The iconic design. Printed at 500 tubes per minute. 15,000 tubes completed. Every hour. Every day.
144 boxes, 1,728 tubes, 1 pallet.
We started with bones.
And created this, a product of chemistry, engineering, and precision.
Protecting 4 billion smiles.
Requires 24-hour production, 365 days a year.
We have an inconsistency in the flow rate on the western pipeline.
Rerouting the sequence now. Monitor the pressure levels closely.
Every tube tested. Every batch verified. Every promise kept. The science of a smile. Made real.